I am genuinely so overdressed. Hello and good evening, everyone. Today we're going to Osaka. We're going to go stay at an Airbnb, and this weekend we are taking part in the Model United Nations for Japan. And because I'm stupid, I didn't realise there was an actual dress code for this. Of course there's going to be a dress code. And I didn't pack anything. It started raining. Oh.
We didn't bring an umbrella.
Oh, anyway, it should be fine. Hopefully, we'll be on the train soon. But yeah, I didn't pack anything from England to wear at this event. Just a black shirt and some black jeans. Jeans are not allowed. So we've got to go shopping now and get a whole new outfit for me. And then we're going to go to Osaka and check into our Airbnb. It started raining and we didn't bring an umbrella. Oops.
Later that same evening.
Okay, so we just went on a mad goose chase around town, shopping, looking for suits for me and everything. Couldn't film anything because it was like the shops are closing really quickly. Yeah, everything closes at 9. We didn't realise. Yeah, and we went out so late.
Yeah.
We ended up buying a suit. I think it's nice, and got some shoes. Not sure if they're gonna go well with the suit or not because I did try them on with the suit. Didn't even have a look at it with the suit and the tie, and we'll see how it looks tomorrow. But hopefully it's right. Yeah, right now we're at a place called Freshness Burger in Japan and do amazing burgers here. Our burgers just arrived. They look really good. See, we both we both got the same burger.
I got onion rings.
Oh yeah, onion rings. There they are. The amount of sauces they have available here is crazy. There's more than this. This isn't all of them. We've got like mustard, ketchup, sweet chili. I don't know what this is. Some sort of like green jalapeno sauce thing, and then no idea.
Hot pepper sauce.
Hot pepper sauce. So I haven't been filming much. Just been really tired and really busy rushing to get here. But we've arrived at our Airbnb. I'll show you it now. It's really nice. Big bed, really big open space. Nice amount of space in the kitchen, but I'm not going to use that. It's very disappearing. We've unpacked our stuff and tried on our clothes for tomorrow, and we're going to go to sleep. Got to wake up really early. So we'll see you tomorrow for the conference, which we haven't prepared for at all. Good morning. 8 in the morning. Time to get up and get ready. We're on the way to the university now for Model United Nations, and dressed in my suit, and I've got glasses on because I'm being a meme today. I've not done any preparation. I have no idea what I'm doing here. I have no business at this thing. I'm still going. And you okay? So the way the Model United Nations is set up, you have 6 different rooms, which all have their own topics and agendas that they're tackling. And our room is a bit different. It's not a normal type of model United Nations. We are doing this thing called serious Lego play, where we use Lego as a tool to build a model and discuss the model to come up with a set of rules as a conclusion. And we're focusing on the topic of earthquake preparedness and response in East Asian countries. Ooh, that's what we're doing today. It's also summer in Japan and I'm wearing a flipping suit. Bloody hot. And why are they making us do this? I am genuinely so overdressed. Everyone's just in normal white and black, and I'm here in a pink shirt and a blue suit. Brilliant. So we've just registered for the Model United Nations, and yeah, I'm way too overdressed, and we've got another hour until we start, so we're just coming to get some breakfast. And we just found this Lawson 100, and I didn't know this, but it seems like in a Lawson 100 everything is 100 yen, and that's not even £1 in British pounds. What? Seriously, everything's just 100 yen. So it's 12 o'clock. We just finished our first session. We've had a little skill building session with the Lego blocks, and just went through some different exercises and got to know everyone a little bit. It was really cool being in that room. It's very different from the other rooms. Didn't film anything, didn't take any pictures. I wasn't sure if I was allowed my phone to be on in there, but I am. So in the next session, hopefully I'll be able to film some stuff and put it on. But I'll see now if I can go around, just get some videos of the different rooms and give you an idea of what it looks like here. It's really cool. So we just had lunch, and about 12:30 now. We have a opening ceremony to go to at 12:55, and then we're on to the next session. So, the opening ceremony now, about to start. Everyone's laughing at me because I'm vlogging. With my new friends. Hey. Just finished the opening ceremony, and as always with any opening ceremony, it's a really long speech presentation. This one was about the UN and sustainability. About to go for a second session. See you after that. One thing. So we just finished the second session. I think it was from 2 o'clock until 6 o'clock. It's nearly 6 o'clock now, and absolutely amazing experience. Built some models to represent the quality of life in Asian countries, and I think we're going to the welcome party soon. So much food. Everyone's just waiting for food. So after the welcome party, we came home and took a nap, like a 2 or 3 hour nap. A really long day. And then we went out to eat some ramen, and we heard from the Airbnb host that there's a really close by ramen shop that was really nice. So we went there, had some dinner. It's been a really good day. Quite surprised with the serious Lego playroom. It's kind of blown away my expectations. So I'm quite happy I'm doing it, and I'm quite happy I'm part of this room and not one of the other rooms, which look a bit too serious, too scary. But yeah, I'm gonna go to sleep soon. Then tomorrow's day 2, so I'll film that as well. And tomorrow we're gonna start actually working on some actual problems. Today was more about skill building, but tomorrow is more about working on problems. Looking forward to it.